Hi guys, it's again Amy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to cut green leaf. If you're Sierra Leonean, you already know what green leaf is. If you're from other countries, maybe you guys have different name of calling it, but in Sierra Leone we call it green leaf. So I got this fresh green leaf from an African store in the next city. So I'm going to show you guys how I prepare this, how I wash it and cut it. I've shown you guys how to cook the green sauce. You guys have already see how I cook it, but today I'm going to show you guys how the process of getting the leaf, cutting it, washing it. First, I like to wash the leaf. Actually, I bought this green leaf a couple of days ago, but I was a bit tired to cut it. So what I did, I put a water in a bowl and put the roots of the green leaf in a bowl. By that way it can stay fresh for a couple of days. So today I have energy to cut it, so that's why I'm washing it right now. I've washed it before, but I'm washing it again just to cut it. As you guys can see, some of the leaf are a little bit dry, but it's okay. I can still use the fresh one and cut it. So I'm just going to rinse the leaf, rinse it, make sure I rinse it, clean it, and then we're going to cut it. So I'm going to cut it little by little. I'm going to take my knife, remove. We all have the way of cutting it. Like the way I'm cutting, maybe you guys will be like, oh, this is not how they cut it, but you guys know we all cut different. We all prepare our food different. Even each African country have their way of doing stuff, but we all eat the same food but different names. So I'm just going to pick the green leaf. I'm going to pick it little by little and make sure that my hands, when it's full, my whole hand is full with the green leaf, and then I'm going to cut it. You guys can see there's no way of telling you guys how I do it, but you guys are just gonna see the video is self-explainable. So you guys are just gonna watch the video and see how I do it. I'm just gonna make sure get the leaf, put it in my arms, and then take my knife and cut it. And the rest of the ones which I don't need, I put it in the corner. I'm going to put that in my waste food. So I hope you all enjoy this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think about this video. Do you guys want to see more cooking videos? Let me know in the comment box. This is again Amy, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.